I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business.
Hey guys, we meet again. I want to quickly do I feel like taking my hair up, or I don't know. I want to do like a quick meal prep and then make something. I don't even know what I'm making, but I brought out a bunch of things from the freezer, and I already like roasted the tomatoes, the onion as well. Let me show you guys. It's in the oven. Like I roasted my tomatoes, my onion. I'm thinking we'll do like a mix of jollof rice and maybe like pasta. morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching this. So today I haven't set up my office, so I haven't been productive. Mama. And the year has started. Yes, baby. So I'm kind of in the mix of figuring out exactly the location I want to film and I want to use. So this is like the penthouse or the loft, like they call it in Canada and I think US. This is like the loft. It's like the top floor, the 3rd level, and no one stays here for now. We use it as a guest suite because it has like a lounge area right here, and it also has like a bedroom as well. So yeah, like 2 rooms that I could potentially use for my office. And I'm kind of indecisive because with this one, this area is like the landing area, the lounge area. I like it because it doesn't have any wallpaper, it's plain, but my only concern is the lighting here is not the best, right? And I feel like it's smaller than the room, but also it's exposed to the outside world in the sense that I could hear the conversations my husband's having downstairs. So I wouldn't get total silence because there's no door separating the staircase from the lounge area right here. So I might have to like wall it off, and I don't want to do any dramatic changes. But I feel like with this I can easily start off with creating content. You use this background as my background, or if I have to change something, maybe take out the sofa and put like a table there, put my desktop, laptop, my decor plaque, like put a flower plant here, obviously by the corner right here. I'll have a flower plant here, and like I could keep this design on the wall. I don't know, but like I feel like if I have to design here, it will take me like maybe a day. I can easily buy all the things that I need to make it work, because like with creating sets, you're just moving things around. I don't need to buy, I can move things around, right? I want to test all the angles out and see which looks best. Maybe I might even use this angle to film because the window is facing this side and the lighting here is divine because again we're like on the top floor. So this is one option. Now this bedroom, this would have been perfect for my kids' room, but it's on the top floor and no one's on the top floor. This bedroom would have been perfect, but the only thing is if I take this bedroom, I'll have to do total, let me remove I have to do total reconstruction. I wish they did this wallpaper in the kids' room downstairs. I wouldn't have had to remove it because it's so playful. I like the wallpaper for a kids' room, right? But for this room or for this office or whatever this is gonna be, it doesn't work. It looks hideous. A full length window, so the lighting here is divine. Like you can see, like I'm even overly exposed. You get the lighting here is beautiful. The view here is even amazing. I need to take out this wallpaper because this doesn't work with my vibe at all. But this view is not bad, you know. I don't know, I'm so confused. In the meantime, I'll be filming everywhere in the house, but I need to find somewhere permanent that I could like, because I have my equipment, literally everything that I shipped from Nigeria over here. My cameras are here, my tripods are here, my lights are here, like everything that I film with are here. Things that I could remove like that there. So I need to figure out where I can unbox it, set it up and have it permanent for like filming and stuff. But here is so perfect because I can't even hear anything. There's construction going on outside. I can't hear, like it's muted. But like if I were to go outside this lounge area, I'll be hearing conversations that I don't want to hear. I don't know, I'm confused. See, it's not as bright as that place. Use my, yes baby, I have to use my, oh, the more I come in here, the more I'm tempted. So I just finished recording a video in my bedroom. I want to quickly kind of do like a mini 5-minute setup in this area and see what it looks like. See if I can actually be filming there with the noise. This is another new cute space, but that one will be for the children, because my concern now is if they're, I think the only time I can actually work is maybe when they're daycare. But like now, they're in the living room downstairs and they're watching cartoon. So that was what we used to bribe them, so that I can at least film something. Because Kayla was stuck to my hip just now. So this is going to be a temporary fix, but I want to see what it looks like. So what I want to do now is to take like 1-minute shots, video shots in this space, and take another 1-minute video shot in the room and kind of see like what it looks like. Will I be sitting down here? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it doesn't look so bad. I feel like I can film like my next couple videos like this. Okay, this might be something. I might be onto something, guys. Hey guys, so I'm literally on my laptop and I'm doing some edits, and I'm just realizing that I'm yet to like do my work on my vision board. So I need to do that by tomorrow or next tomorrow. I need to create a vision board before the end of the month, right? Because this year has started already. I need to be very clear on the targets. Like I want to create a vision board and then create like goal boards, and then also create like task boards. You know, I don't want to create like a vision board that's too far-fetched, but I want something that's also aligned with what I want. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. I also want to be very like, I want to push myself this year. In summary, I want to push myself this year and see how far I can go, right? Let me give myself some wild goals, you know. Very wild goals, and see how far we go. But let me show you what it looks like so far. So good. I took some shots. Like I wanted to see what the room and the lounge upstairs would look like if I'm filming. Let me show you guys so you guys can see. So this is what the room looks like. This is set for the room. I could definitely move things around, put something over here, put something over here as well. Yeah, but the wallpaper I feel like is too distracting in my opinion, but I like it. I like the lights. Guys, this is natural lights. There is no, like, my artificial light is barely even working. The natural light here is A1. So let me show you what the lounge area looks like. I think I have it right here. So this is what the lounge area looks like. I have my hair stuck on my face. Ugh, this is what it looks like. It's also not bad, but it would need me to do a lot of artificial lighting to get it to look really good. We'll find a way to make it work. My head is aching. I'm tired. I'm gonna call it tonight. Good night, guys.